Welcome into Selenium tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about action class in Selenium. In Selenium, action class is used to perform advanced user interactions like mouse movements, keyboard interactions, double clicks, and drag and drop. First of all, we will navigate to this URL facebook.com login page. Driver.get string. Here we enter the URL. Now, we need to enter the email in this field. So, we will right click and we will locate element by ID. And ID is email. Web element email is equal to driver dot find element by dot ID, and we paste the ID. Now we need to create an object. Actions AC is equal to new actions driver. After this, we need to move to this element. So we will use variable length AC dot move to element. Here you can view when we will select dot move to element, we need to enter the web element target, and we want to target the email field. We enter email. After enter the email, we want to press the shift key. So we will use dot key down. Dot key down is used to press the key, and we want to press the shift key. So we will use shift. After this pressing shift key, we need to type in this field dot send keys. Send keys basically is used to type any character in field. Here we enter the test@gmail.com. Now we enter the test@gmail.com in lowercase letter. But we will press the shift key by using dot keys down. After enter the test@gmail.com in email field, we want to perform. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. Here you can view we enter in small letter test@gmail.com, but here we can view test@gmail.com in uppercase letter. Now we will input the password. Web element pass is equal to driver.find element by .id. Right click on password field and ID is pass. Copy this ID and paste here. and we want to enter the password, so we will use pass.sendKeys. Let's run this script and see what happens. Chrome driver is successfully opening. After enter the email and password, we need to click on this login button by using action class. Now we will enter button dot is equal to driver dot find element by dot id. Now we will locate this element by id. Right click on login button. Here id is login button. Copy this id and paste here. After this, we need to create an object. Actions click, which is variable name, is equal to new actions driver. Now we will use click dot send keys dot tab. First we will tab into this button and then we will press the enter key. Click dot send keys dot enter. After this, we want to perform. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to the facebook.login page and then enter the email in uppercase letter and enter the password. After entering the password, it will click on the login button. We enter the invalid email and password. So here you can view raw credentials are showing. If we use dot keys up, in this scenario, it will type the same test@gmail.com because we use dot key up, which is release key. Chrome driver is opening. Test@gmail.com input in lowercase letter. Let's explore some option. Actions in Selenium. Click basically used for click on an element. Second is double click. Double click is used to performing a double click on an element. Third is context click. Context click is used to performing a right click on an element. Move to element. Move to element used to moving the mouse pointer to specific element. Drag and drop. Drag and drop is used for or dropping into one location to another. Keys up is used for release the key, while keys down is used for press the key. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.